What is 20% of 80? So we can write 20% as 20 over 100, which is equivalent to 20%, multiplied by 80. In this step below, I broke it down 10 times 10, which is 100. And I also broke down the 80 to 8 times 10 so that I can make it easier and cancel out the common terms. So over here, I'm going to cancel the 10s so that I can rewrite the expression as 20 over 10 multiplied by 8. I know that 20 over 10 is 2 times 8 equal to 16. So I know that 20% of 80 is 16. And I just broke it down, the math over here.